hope everybody's doing fine and staying home and safe. I wanted to share another one of my recipes. This is shrimp cocktail, and this is the way I prepare it. I start off with 8 cups of water. I turn up the heat because I want this to boil. I add salt, sea salt. You can add salt to your liking. I also add a piece of onion. And I add half a cup of Clamato juice. I also add 2 tablespoons of shrimp powder. This is for extra flavor. And a small bunch of cilantro. And allow this to boil for a couple of minutes. Then go in the shrimp with the peel on. Once it has boiled for a couple of minutes, it turns into this pinkish salmon kind of color. Bring these out. You can turn off the heat. The broth is ready. And bring out the shrimp. We need them to cool down because we're going to peel them. Okay, set those aside to cool down, and meanwhile you can chop your veggies. I chop cilantro, cucumber, onion, tomato, and some lime wedges. Once they have cooled down, you can start peeling. Take off the tail and the peel. Set those aside. And now it's time to prepare your cocktail. Start off with the shrimp. Add your veggies, your cucumber, your tomato, your onion, some broth, some valentina salsa. I also put ketchup. Mix this around. Some lime juice. Some cilantro. And some avocado at the end. I know there's different variations to the shrimp cocktail, Mexican shrimp cocktail, but this is the way I prepared it, and I wanted to share it with you. Some people eat it cold, some people eat it warm. I know my husband likes it warm, and I like it cold, so it just depends on what you like. You can heat up the broth or just eat it cold. Either way, it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.